So I had a delivery today, spent some money, got myself a little toy. So this is a Black Widow exhaust for my 1999 FZS Yamaha 600. Nice sticker, some instructions.
Love stickers.
Pipe to get it onto the downpipes. Now, I was wondering whether to go for the 200 or the 230. I opted for the short stubby 200 in the end. There it is.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks mean.
Short stubby. It's
so,
almost as wide as it is long.
So we're going to do a video, aren't we, of you taking your current, well, we'll do one with the current exhaust so we can hear the sound, and then we'll change it over and do another video once this beauty is on.
Yeah, so there it is. It's beautiful.
And we'll do a little video with the baffle in and the baffle out.
Fantastic. Okay, so just about to change the exhaust over, so I'll give you a listen to what it sounds before. So what I've done is just removed the other one, and then this pipe goes down here with a clip, that goes on here, and then the end can goes on the end of that. I thought it was just easy and simple, and then the end basically ended up here where the footrest is, so you have to kind of play around with the angle of this pipe, but once you've done that for a little bit, you kind of figure out where's best to put it. It's all pretty straightforward, but there aren't direct instructions on how to do it, so it's just a matter of playing around with it. But I think I've got the right placement. There we go. So the last little bit, and the bolt will go through there and hold it on up here. So I'll just do that now, and we shall see what it's like. Okay, moment of truth. Here it is. If you want to take a look, it's pretty easy to fit. It looks sweet. Looks really nice. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, that sounds good. Right, I reckon this is going to be pretty loud. That sounds great.
Are you going to stop grinning?
Okay, so I just got back. It was brilliant. It was utterly brilliant. I want to swear my head off with how happy I am. I'm not going to, just in case kids are watching this, but it is excellent. It was a good buy, and for only 180 quid, yeah, it's a really good mod, and I'm glad I got it. There's not really much more to say, apart from it's quick service, it's well built, it slipped on really easy. And with the baffle out as well, I mean, you don't even need to take the baffle out, it's loud enough. I'm really happy. So yeah, thank you Black Widow, thank you very much.